Yo, what's poppin'? It's your boy TJ. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a different one. It's going to be my training setup. However, this is the current room that we're in at the moment. And yeah, as you can see, it's looking very messy and dirty. So I'm going to reorganize this whole room because I've got a few things that I want to be put into the office. So yeah, obviously we've got a beer fridge. But yeah, I've got a lot of stuff that I want to put into the office. I'm going to show you quickly in the next clip. But yeah, I'm going to reorganize this whole room. It's going to take a while. I've got to take out all the cables. But yeah, I'm starting a new podcast. So that's going to be the background of the podcast. We're going to switch all of the desk and everything like that. And then get involved. Get the setup done. But yeah, let me show you also what I want to put in the office, because it's going to be crazy. You know, I want these here because obviously, you know, I'm a West Ham fan. But this is my living room. Boom. Declan Rice signed shirt. Noble and Declan Rice boots, both signed. I want both of these in the office. But without further ado, it's time to get busy.
A few moments later.
Just gonna move some monitors. I've got to take all the cables out. It's gonna be a pretty big job, so I'll just give you like a little tutorial, little quick snaps of the actual taking away the setup and then putting it back and then seeing how it turns out. So yeah, let's go. The dismantling is done. As you can see, we've got to clean everything up, but yeah, this is the start of a new chapter. Let's go, baby.
1 hour later.
A lot of wires on the floor, but this is how we're currently looking. Loving that. Got a few things to put up as well, but currently doing all the cables. Not really going to do cable management. That's going to be for another day for sure, but this was just to get a better background. So when I'm shooting my videos, it'll be a bit like that. Let's go. Progress is being made. Monitors on there, camera set up, mic set up. Just getting all the wires over, and then obviously got to tidy up the floor and stuff like that. But yeah, let's go, baby. It is looking clean. This isn't even my main camera. This is my main camera, the vlog camera. But yeah, definitely in the light as well. I've got blue lights gonna come up behind the screen, so it should be decent. Okay, so just a few things left to go. However, I'm gonna see if it even turns on. One of the biggest things with setting up a PC is if it's all gonna work. You know, all the dual monitors, if they're gonna all connect and everything like that. So without further ado, let's press the button. In the dark, this would look way cooler. But yeah, moment of truth. Is it gonna work? Oh, that's not good. Uh-oh. All screens working, all connected. That is the setup right there. Let me see if I turn on this light. Should do a lot. Okay then. Okay, well this is the setup anyway. 3 monitors connected, 240 Hz each monitor. We've got 3 of them. Obviously, PC there. I wanted it to go in this far corner on the left. However, we're just literally an inch away from actually getting it in. So I've got to order a new desk or a new side table, new drawer, which is fine. I'm gonna get that on the order anyway, so I can slide my PC in the corner so it's not actually out like that near the screen. However, that is how we're looking right there. I'm gonna put the West Ham t-shirt up there and maybe put the boots here. But yeah, we shall see. I'll get some more stuff on this wall as well. But that is the setup. The forexfunder.com coming soon, launching next week. We got the charts and then Streamlabs. Still a series mouse and keyboard also. We got an AT2020 microphone with a stand, an E07, an EOS Canon camera as well. And yeah, I've just got a chair like this. Nothing special. Whiteboard as well. Got to put the speakers there as well. And fill up the fridge. But yeah, slowly but surely, it's coming together, baby.